Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Associates tracking with Amazon Brand Analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section in the top menu. Click on Amazon Brand Analytics from the drop-down options. If you don't see this option, ensure you have access to Brand Analytics through your account settings. Next, familiarize yourself with the Brand Analytics dashboard. Find the Track All Activity tab within the dashboard. Click on this tab to start setting up tracking for your products. Locate the product ASINs you want to track. Copy these ASINs, as you'll need them for the next step. Now, navigate back to your Amazon Associates account. Go to the Links and Banners section. Select Product Links from the drop-down menu. Paste your copied ASINs into the designated field. Create a custom tracking link for each ASIN. Review the links you've created to ensure they are correct. Next, go back to the Brand Analytics dashboard. Click on the Search Terms section to analyze performance. Input your tracked ASINs to see how they perform against different keywords. Examine the data to understand which products are drawing traffic. This information will help you optimize your promotional efforts. Regularly return to this dashboard to monitor changes and trends. Use these insights to refine your marketing strategy. By following these steps, you'll have effective tracking set up with Amazon Associates and Brand Analytics. This will aid in making data-driven decisions for your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.